Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change Discord status. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now I'm in my Discord and here we can see a little red sign here, and this is Discord status. To change the status, simply click about this status, and then from here we can change the status to online, idle, do not disturb, invisible, or you can set a custom status by clicking on it. You can give a status name here and clear. After, you can select the duration and status. I'm going to select here can change the emoji and then click on save. So here you can see the status has been changed. I'm going to select here online. So this was how we can change status on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.